In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rent a GPU off runpod.io. So basically what runpod is, um, runpod.io is basically like the service you could um, just rent GPUs off, and it will give you like a cloud website, and it will just use the GPU that they have in the server. So the way you rent a runpod is you go to pods right here, and you pick a GPU. Honestly, I say this is the best one. Gives you 48 gigabytes of RAM, 40 cents an hour. This is dirt cheap. Next, you're gonna wanna press deploy on command, and you have to like put credit into your account. So let's say you want to put $10 into your account. Press checkout and pay. Now you're just gonna put in a payment method. I already put in one, but for you is gonna look like this. Put in your card. You could also pay with Bitcoin. I'll show you how to do that right here. Go to billings, press Bitcoin, pay with crypto, press pay with crypto, and boom, it's gonna tell you to use crypto.com. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.